series of baking and cooking lessons for teens. We're going to start with something very simple. It's called no bake chow mein cookies, or spider cookies, or nest cookies. A lot of people call them different things, right?
Yes.
And you can add lots of different ingredients, but we're going to go very basic today. We're just going to use the chow mein noodles, peanuts, and some Hershey's chocolate bits. Okay? So, first thing we need.
Yeah, what do we need?
We need 1 can of the chow mein noodles. So you're going to pour those in there. Excellent. Then we're going to need 1/2 cup of peanuts.
Yum. Smells great.
And then 1 cup of the Nestle's Toll House chocolate bits. Are your favorite chocolate bits?
Put them in here?
No. We're going to put them in this double boiler so that we can melt them. We can also use the microwave if you like, but we're going to try it in the double boiler because it usually works a little bit easier to keep the chocolate smooth and not chunky or sticky. So we're going to let that melt above the double boiler. So there's water in here that's boiling away. To pour that in.
That chocolate looks super, super hot.
Yes, it is nice and hot. You don't want to touch that. Okay.
Do we need a
And then
spoon or a spatula? Okay.
yeah, to stir that up. Go ahead. You're also going to take some wax paper, like this, and you're going to cut a piece off and put it on your cookie tray, okay? And we're going to put these cookies on the cookie tray and put them in the refrigerator because they need to cool. You can also add butterscotch chips or
Peanut butter
maybe
chips.
even peanut butter chips or
Cookies
M&Ms.
and cream chips.
Yes, you can add a lot of different things to make them special. This is
Potentially
just
Reese's cups, maybe. Yeah, quite easy.
All right, looks good. So then you just take a glop of them. This is why they're often called bird's nest cookies.
Because they look like a bird's nest.
Yeah. Haystack cookies, you know, things like that. Just look like a big mush.
Well,
All right,
well,
that's good. And we'll put those in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Yikes, no.
Perfect.
Excellent.
Okay, so the bird's nest cookies have been in the fridge for around 10 minutes, so they're ready to come out, and I'm ready for my treat.
Are you? Are you hungry?
I'm scrumptious. You're scrumptious.
So here they are, all nice and cool.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
Would you like to try one?
I do.
Let's put it on a plate.
Let's plate this. A little bit of marketing. No.
Okay. Why don't you try one? And I'll try one. Mmm. Delicious.
I'm scrumptious.